Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks. Once done, position a stable ladder under the fixture and have a helper steady it. Next, remove the glass shade or cover by releasing the clips or screws so the lamp assembly is exposed. Make sure to set screws and small parts into a container so nothing falls into cabinets. This immediate sequence keeps you safe and gets clear access to the wiring and mounting. You now support the fixture as you fully remove the mounting screws so it hangs safely while you work. Once supported, carefully untwist wire nuts and separate the black, white, and green or bare ground leads. Note which wires connect where. Take a close photograph of the connections and inspect the sealing box and conductors for signs of overheating or loose strands. If wires are frayed or the box is damaged, make a repair before installing a new fixture. These steps ensure a clean, documented disassembly. You lift the fixture clear once all screws and wires are free, then remove the mounting plate if replacing or store it with parts. If leaving the box empty, tuck the capped wires neatly and install a blank cover plate to meet code. Make sure the area is clean and parts accounted for before turning the breaker back on. If the tester still shows live or the replacement fixture does not work, cut power again and recheck wire connections and the breaker label. That troubleshooting step catches missed live feeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.